Hey everyone, it's Linda. Today I'm going to talk about stepping outside of your color comfort zone. I know there are colors that we like better than others. Take me for instance. I have almost 2 bins of blue and 1 bin of green that's almost overflowing. And I have some red and some purple. In order to step outside of that comfort zone, let's try making quilts of different colors. You can donate these quilts if they're not your thing. There's many ways you can step outside of your comfort zone. Look for projects that feature a certain color. For instance, brown and orange are really not colors of mine, and if we want to be honest, I'll throw yellow in there too. I could look for a pattern that featured fall leaves, which would cover all of those colors. So look for a pattern that features those colors. Make it up as you go. Do some improv piecing with colors that you don't normally like. Just try to use them. I'm not telling you to go out and spend money on fabric. If you have a fabric stash and you have colors that you don't like so much and they're just sitting there, why not use them for something? I hope that helps. Make sure you subscribe. Have a great day. Bye now.